How to install WhatsApp app on Android step by step. If any part of this video helped you, please show some love by like the video and leave a sweet comment. If you want WhatsApp on your Android phone but don't know where to start, I'll show you the easiest way to install it in just a few simple steps. Before installing WhatsApp, first of all, you must have an internet connection. Yes, this is very important. You can connect to the internet in two ways. So first go to settings on your phone. Then tap on connections. Now here simply turn on the Wi-Fi toggle and connect to your Wi-Fi network. That's it. Alright, now to install WhatsApp, you also need to have the Play Store on your phone. Don't worry, almost every smartphone already has this app. Just find the Play Store on your phone and open it. Now inside the Play Store, make sure you are signed in with your email account. To check this, tap on your profile icon. As you can see, mine is already signed in, so if yours is not signed in, just go ahead and sign in quickly. Okay, now it's time to install WhatsApp. You don't need to do anything complicated. Just tap on the search bar, type WhatsApp, and you'll see a few options. Simply select the first one that appears. Before installing the WhatsApp app, don't forget to check the reviews and download count, because more reviews and downloads an app has, more trusted and better it usually is. Alright, as you can see, WhatsApp has amazing results right in front of you, so go ahead and tap install, then add your phone number and log in. Boom, you're ready to chat and enjoy with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a lovely little comment too.